Forget what you know about heavy duty. Today, we're diving into a symphony of destruction and creation. We've categorized the world's most brutal mining titans, from the precision graders that prepped the battlefield to the 1,000-ton excavators that dominated. This is the hierarchy of power. This is Beast Machine's world. And if you're a true fan of these titans, you can bring that power to your desk with the high-quality scale models available in our YouTube shop below. Watch as the CAT 24H grader trims a massive rock slope with effortless power. As the largest grader on the planet, it uses its 24-foot blade to carve through stone and debris with surgical precision. This 137,000-pound titan isn't just smoothing the ground. It's engineering the very foundation of the mine. Without it maintaining these treacherous haul roads, the entire operation would grind to a halt. In the world of heavy mining, precision is the first step to absolute power. Next, we move to a true legend of the dirt, the Caterpillar D9R Bulldozer. Watch as this brute force machine levels the terrain with surgical precision, pushing piles of rock and earth as if they were weightless. Powered by the relentless Caterpillar 3408E engine, it churns out a massive 544 horsepower, giving it the grit to tackle the most stubborn landscapes. Its heavy-duty blade, boasting a capacity of 12.2 cubic yards, allows it to reshape the mine floor in a single pass. In the world of beast machines, the D9R is the ultimate iron fist that establishes dominance over every square inch of the site. Now, watch how the Komatsu PC1250 handles huge loads with relentless precision and power. It's not just moving dirt, it's efficiently feeding the giants, loading these massive BelAZ mining trucks cycle after cycle. Listen to the deep growl of the engine and observe the smooth hydraulic movements that make lifting tons of rock look effortless. The sheer scale of this operation makes this the perfect spectacle for any fan of heavy machinery and construction vehicles. We head to a coal mine during the winter season to witness the Caterpillar 6015B in action. With a robust design and a powerful engine, this excavator is capable of handling significant loads, making it ideal for the overburden removal we see in today's video. Watch closely as it loads these 4-axle Mercedes and MAN trucks in just 2 massive passes. Powered by an 813 horsepower CAT C27A30 engine, it swings an 8.1 cubic meter bucket with incredible speed, proving that cold temperatures can't slow down this level of productivity. Crossing the 250-ton mark, we witness the Komatsu PC1250 in its aggressive face shovel configuration. Filmed at a gypsum mine in Nottinghamshire, this yellow giant from Banks Mining is a true wall breaker. Unlike standard excavators that dig down, this machine attacks the rock face head-on. Watch as it fills these 100-ton capacity trucks with massive bottom dump buckets, ripping through the bank with 1,260 horsepower. It's a synchronized display of raw power and industrial grace that keeps the mine moving. Witness the definition of brutal strength with the Hitachi EX3600. This 360-ton Titan swings one of the largest excavator buckets in the game. It's not just moving dirt, it's tearing through the Earth's crust. Watch the sheer violence of the load as that massive bucket, capable of swallowing over 22 cubic meters of rock, dwarfs the haul truck beneath it. When this orange giant drops its load, you can almost feel the suspension of the truck groaning under the weight. This is heavy mining at its most aggressive. If you thought we'd reached the limit, think again. Meet the Komatsu PC1250, a 400-ton Titan captured here in its Boma livery as it relentlessly clears the overburden. This isn't just a machine, it's an industrial force of nature. Powered by a massive 1,875 horsepower engine, it commands a bucket so vast it can move enough earth to bury a medium-sized house in a single shift. Watch the sheer precision as it loads these Komatsu HD785 haul trucks, dumping tons of rock with a level of control that defies its gargantuan scale. When a machine this size starts moving, the very air around it seems to crackle with raw energy. This is the heart of high-volume mining, where impossible is just another day at the office. Now, we step into the realm of German engineering at its most formidable. The Liebherr 9350 mining excavator. Often called the Big Digger, this beast is a relentless force of nature in the pit. Weighing in at approximately 800,000 pounds, it is a massive wall of steel that moves with surprising grace. Powered by an engine delivering up to 1,800 horsepower, it commands enough raw energy to rip through the densest earth as if it were wet paper. Watch as it fills these haul trucks in a matter of seconds, swinging a bucket that can hold nearly 28 cubic yards of material in a single bite. Imagine standing next to this. The cab alone sits as high as a 2-story house. It doesn't just dig, it dominates. In the world of brutal strength, the 9350 is the heavy-hitting veteran that never backs down. Emerging from a thick cloud of dust like a mechanical god, the Liebherr R 9800 takes its place as the absolute king of the pit and the largest excavator in the Liebherr lineup. Weighing in at a staggering 1.7 million pounds and packing a massive 4,000 horsepower, it doesn't just work the mine, it dominates the entire horizon. With a bucket capacity of 55 cubic yards, it can move over 100 tons of rock in a single bite, enough to fill a massive haul truck in just a few swings. Imagine standing next to this beast. It's taller than a 3-story house and possesses the raw, brutal strength to reshape the very crust of the earth. This is the ultimate expression of power. What would you do if you were in the cockpit of this 800-ton monster? Meet the P&H electric shovel, a mechanical titan that doesn't just dig, it dominates. Unlike its diesel-powered cousins, this beast is tethered to a massive trailing cable, drawing thousands of volts to move millions of pounds of earth every single day. Watch the sheer brutal strength as it uses a heavy-duty cable hoist system to rip through the bank with ease. It makes this Komatsu HD785 haul truck look like a scale model, filling it to the brim in just a few massive scoops. Weighing in at over 2 million pounds, this isn't just a shovel. It's a mobile factory of pure industrial power. These machines are the iron heartbeat of our world, redefining every limit. Which of these giants blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe to join our community. See you in the next one. Stay heavy.